You know, every Rolex has this Oyster Perpetual thing written on it, and sometimes people Google just, oh, can I buy Rolex Oyster Perpetual? No, we cannot. So what does the writing mean? Oyster means it's waterproof. The patented waterproof design of Rolex, which they patented in like 1920s. Screw the crown and water doesn't get in, and it's great and waterproof, and it hasn't been done before. Perpetual just means the movement. So it's an automatic. There are watches that you have to wind by hand, and there are automatic watches that wind themselves. You see, and every time it moves around, it winds the watch. So the watch can keep going without me like having to unscrew it and to wind it and all of that. And that was another big invention of Rolex, and it happened like in the 30s. For example, if you see this watch and it's Rolex Oyster date, it means that it's an oyster case, so it's waterproof, and it has a date function, which is right here. And sometimes it also says superlative chronometer officially certified. It's the chronometer certified and will not lose time and yada yada. It's all great and cool, but there are also Rolexes that don't say that. And those are usually manual winds and the older Rolexes.